excuse me, I love you. Who starts a conversation like that? Nobody but I do. But you are not a picture. I can cut you up or hide you. I'll get you on my mind. I try to.
Hello everyone, it's Herlina, and today it's gonna be another makeup tutorial. Surprise, surprise. I know in my last video I said I was gonna start uploading more. Well, I also said no promises, so yeah. I am going to try to film 3 videos for you guys today because I do have a few videos in mind, and I don't know, I just feel like why not film them all in one day. Obviously this video is going to be a makeup tutorial, but in the next 2 videos, if I do end up filming the other 2 videos, I will be wearing the same thing because they will be filmed on the same day. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started with this tutorial because I'm not trying to do a bunch of editing. So for today's moisturizer, I'm going to be using the BEVERLY Truth Cream Aqua Bomb. I've been using this for a few weeks now and I love it. I mean, I like the way it absorbs into my skin. It makes my skin feel really soft and moisturized and hydrated. If you have combination to oily skin, I would recommend this moisturizer. This was like, I think it was 20 bucks. I don't know. I think it was $20 at Sephora. It might be 25, I'm not sure. But for this travel size, I think it was $20. I don't know. Now I'm gonna use this mist spray from Sephora, and this is their Rose Mist Spray. I really like using this spray because it's very hydrating, and once again, it makes my skin feel very moisturized. Now I'm going to use my Quick Fix Spray from Urban Decay. Y'all know I use this spray pretty much in all of my videos, so y'all know the drill. I'm actually almost out of that. I need to get some more. I'm also going to use my Pro Filter Primer from FENTY. Y'all know I use this almost every day along with my Optical Illusion. So once again, y'all know the drill. Okay, so today I kind of feel like doing a smoky eye, so that's why I zoomed in on my eyes, because we're gonna go ahead and get started with the eyes first. I'm gonna use my eyeshadow primer from FENTY, and I'm gonna start with that as a base. Along with the primer, I'm also gonna use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. And I'm gonna put that all over my eyelids, and that's also gonna be a base. Yes, I know that my foundation brush is dirty. I have not cleaned it in weeks. I've been pretty lazy when it comes to brushes, but whatever, I'll be fine. Okay, so y'all see that created a really nice base for my eyes. So to get started with my eyeshadow, I'm gonna be taking my Masquarade mini palette from JUVIA'S place. I almost forgot what it was called. And I'm gonna start by taking the eyeshadow Ada, and I'm gonna put that on my lid. Okay, now I'm gonna blend this eyeshadow out, and I'm gonna use a brush with no product. Now that I've gotten that blended out, I'm gonna put the shade CALABRA on top of the lid. Now going into the Nubian 2 palette, I'm gonna take the shade Kenya, and I'm gonna put that on the corner. Ooh, it's not showing. I'm gonna put this color on the corner of my eyes. Now I'm going back with CALABRA and just redoing it on the lids. I'm also gonna go back with the DA. I'm just reusing this to kind of blend everything out on the outer corners. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get started with my liquid eyeliner, and I'm using the NYX liquid eyeliner. So I pretty much messed up on the liquid eyeliner, and yeah, you know what? I'm kind of over this already. Something told me I was gonna mess up on this today. Oh well. Oh well. Okay, I'm gonna clean this up off camera because doing this on camera is too much. So I'll be back. Okay, this is about as good as it's gonna get. I'm really frustrated with it, but I'm just gonna let it go because the more I stress about it, the more angry I get, and I don't need to get angry over some eyeliner. Right now I'm gonna go ahead and put on some lashes. I'm using my lashes from Sephora. They're called CRAZE and the number 35. Okay, so now that we got the lashes on, I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the skin. I'm gonna spray some more Quick Fix primer on to kind of reactivate the primer that I already put on. I don't know if it really reactivates it. That's just what I think in my head, that it reactivates it, because I don't know. I guess like if I put water or something liquid on my skin, I don't know. So the foundation I'm gonna use is some good old Born This Way foundation, and I'm using the shade Spice Rum. Now the concealer that I'm using is the Born This Way concealer, and I'm using CHESTNUT. So right now I'm putting on my MERCIER powder to take away the shininess. And for contouring slash bronzing, I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills powder bronzer. I'm using the shade Mahogany. Lately I've been using this to contour instead of using a cream contour. Also throughout that Spice palette that I've been using to contour, because it was time. It was time for me to throw that away. Go ahead and get started with my eyebrows. You guys already know what I use for my eyebrows. I use my Brow by Benefit, and I also use the brow setter. Now that I've done my eyebrows, I'm going to go ahead and do my bottom lashes. I'm not going to put on any eyeliner or anything. I'm just going to do my lashes, and that'll be that. Now for highlighter, I'm going to be using my Glow Kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm using their Sun Dipped Glow Kit. And I'm going to be using the color Bronzed. now for my lips, I'm going to go ahead and use my Chestnut lip pencil from MAC. And for lipstick, I'm going to use the STUNNA lip paint from FENTY. And I'm using the color UNVEIL. Now with this lip paint, I don't really need a liner, but I like to use a liner just because I feel like it still makes my lips look fuller. That's why I still use it. Okay, so I'm pretty much done with my makeup. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face with my all-nighter spray from Urban Decay. Okay, so now that I'm done with my makeup completely, let me go ahead and take down my hair. Okay, and so that is the end of the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Feel free to check out any of my other makeup tutorials and also watch out for any upcoming makeup tutorials. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with all of your friends. If you want to know any of the products that I use in this video, just make sure you look in the description down below. I'll have all the products listed. And until then, I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.